Hi there, welcome to the short video. Just chatting about Resurgence jeans. These are Kevlar lined jeans for motorbiking. Obviously, rather than wearing leathers, there's a few companies in recent years who've started doing these Kevlar lined jeans. We do have them in now and again at the Denim Doctor. This pair had come in for some running repairs. The crotch area had worn out quite badly, so we stripped the lining down inside, and then we gained access to the crotch area, and then we've done some repair work there for him. Kept these going. Obviously, it's a wear out area. Obviously, wearing them on a bike, the crotch area is the one that gets the most hammering, so to speak, the most wear. So if you've got any Kevlar line jeans, there is a few companies out there who do make these Kevlar line motorbiking jeans. We can work on them. We can do alterations such as the like the waist can come in. We can taper the legs. We can shorten the hems. Some of them are heavier than others. These specific ones are more of a medium weight, so yes, so we can work on these, not a problem at all. Some of the other ones can get a bit tricky, but anyway, drop me an email, drop me a DM, leave a comment in the box below if you need any work doing to these type of Kevlar line jeans. Drop me an email. It's michael@thedenimdoctor.co.uk, and I'll gladly give you any advice that you might need. We offer a postal service if you're not local to us, or we also have a shop in Manchester city centre which you can visit in person and come in here and be pinned up or drop off any repairs that might need doing. So if you've got any repair work might need doing, such as the crotch, maybe the pocket bags are going, stuff like that, maybe your knees are worn out, stuff like that, yeah, drop me an email, drop me a DM, and I'll gladly be able to give you some help and advice, and maybe do some work for you. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day. Thank you. Bye bye.